If you are planning to build a PC or upgrade your storage in 2026, stop. It might be already too late. Western Digital just dropped the bombshell. They are officially sold out of hard drives for the entire year. It's only February and their factory lines are already booked until 2027. The corporate though, AI-backed tech companies like Google and Meta are panic buying every terabyte on the planet to build their AI brains. Consumer storage now makes up only 5% of the market. We are basically fighting for the crumbs. It's not just hard drives. RAM prices are up 70% alone this month. And get this, rumors are swirling that NVIDIA might not release a new gaming GPU this year because they are diverting all their memory chips to AI servers instead. Is AI actually worth losing the PS6 and cheap PCs for? Drop a comment and let me know.